Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vivek Joshi and this is probably gonna be my first video. Okay, so before moving to my topic, I like to throw some insights of some basic terminologies. Okay, so now we all know what is website, right? But how many of us know that website consists of two parts? Which are the two parts? One is the front end part and another is the back end part. Now what is front end part? Front end is nothing but what we see on internet, on any kind of app, on any kind of website which uses mobile data or else not, right? Anything which we see as a user is front end, be it any ad, be it any login credentials which we have to enter on the internet, be it videos, be it images. So now what is backend? Now backend is something which serves us with a service. Service is like website or an app, and the data which we enter is stored in backend. Now it brings me to two major components of a backend part. Okay, so which are the two components? One is server. Server is basically something that serves us with a service. And database. So what is database? Database is something that stores users' information, be it credentials, login information, watch history, anything which user has entered is stored in backend. Now we have such backends in our lives too, and front ends too. Suppose a simpler example would be fans and switches. So fans and switches are front ends, means we are able to see them, and the wires are back end. Now there are some electrical connections or electrical currents which are happening with as soon as we switch on the fan. That is back end, and back end is not necessary for a user to see. So we can take a beautiful example or a simple example of fan and switches to simply understand the concept of front end and back end. Now it brings me to our topic, XAMPP. Now, what is XAMPP? XAMPP is nothing but a local server, which is used for testing and programming a developing website. And we can do this without internet too. About full form of XAMPP, X stands for cross-platform, A stands for Apache, M for MySQL, which is a database, P for Perl, and P for PHP. Now, any kind of web development needs some kind of testing, right? You cannot just create a website and put it on internet. You need some kind of platform to test it, to know the efficiency of a website. So for that, XAMPP is used. Why XAMPP? So XAMPP is efficient enough to provide all the services, which is cross-platform, which is, it can be used on any kind of platform. If the website is even created on Windows and we have to run the website on Linux, it is possible. Why? Because it is cross-platform. Okay, now another advantages of XAMPP would be it is available in major OS used by users. We'll see a small demonstration of XAMPP installation. So now I am simply typing XAMPP installation. It will immediately show some of the links. I have to select the link which is provided by Apache Friends version. This page will redirect us to Apache Friends version. Now if you scroll down, there are three versions of XAMPP for different OS, that is XAMPP for Windows, Mac and Linux. I have a Windows PC, so I'll select Windows compatible version of XAMPP. As you can see, there are three versions for Windows available. I am selecting 7.4.8, so its installer dialog box will immediately pop up, and now I have kept it for installation. Now the downloading process is completed and I am opening the folder containing the installer. When I'll double click the installer page, it will ask me whether I want to install XAMPP or not. So I'll simply click yes and OK. So now a dialog box of the further process of XAMPP will be opened, and it will ask me which languages and which database I want to choose. So I'll select all the services available on XAMPP. After clicking the next button, it will ask me that which path and which drive I want to select to install my XAMPP. So I'll simply select F drive, and in that I'll create one folder named XAMPP. Now when I'll select the next button, it would immediately ask me that which language I want to choose. So I'll choose English, and then the further process of installation would be carried out. Now as you can see, the process of installation is about to complete, and at last XAMPP will create an uninstaller. Now before starting any kind of the processes for the first time, XAMPP will ask us whether we want to really start the process or not. So a dialog box like this will pop up. And then as you can see, now I'm starting all the process and all the processes are running very much successfully. You can see there are various options available for shell scripting, setup, pod check, etc. We'll explore all this in next video. So guys, this is it about the demonstration of installation part. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video, enjoyed it thoroughly, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and forward it to your friends. Thank you, bye bye, I'm gonna see you next time.